So in a lot of cars, you'll probably notice these little kind of scuff marks lower down on the interior plastic, as unfortunately the area can get kicked when getting in and out of the car. I did notice this on my own car, which I purchased second hand fairly recently, and sadly they are scuffs and not dirt. So here I'm using all-purpose cleaner, so this is Built Hammer Surf X HD at 1:9, which is a stronger mix of this than I would typically use for interiors. And even when combined with the scrub pads, sadly when the residue fully dried out, the scuff marks just came right back. Now there are various different ways that people kind of like to tackle this. I've seen people using heat and magic erasers. I didn't really want to go down that route and wanted to see if I could get any kind of improvement really by just using dressings and coatings. So I prepped the area first by degreasing it using Geon Prep, which is just a panel wipe solution, and then I split the area off into 3 different sections, and first I tried it with 3 different products. So I used the Diamond Pro-Tech Interior, DIY Detail Interior Ceramic, and also Garage Therapy Dash Serum. I started off on that first section by using Diamond Pro-Tech. So this is actually really quite expensive product at £56 for just that small bottle. Sadly though, it does actually seem very hard to find online. After I filmed this video I did notice that, but in terms of application it was straightforward. Just applied it with one side of the applicator and then flipped it and buffed off any remaining residue. It's worth noting at this point that I did use separate applicators for all the products that I'm going to be using. The second product that I tried was DIY Detail Interior Ceramic, again quite an expensive product, particularly in the UK. It's £46.95 when I last checked, but you are getting a larger 500ml bottle here, so we're going to get more coverage. Again, the application process was very straightforward. Applied it onto the applicator, spread it, and I left it around 30 seconds before wiping any remaining residue, although the product does seem to self-level and dry out itself really. Next up is Garage Therapy Dash Serum, so this is the cheapest option on the list at £14 for 500ml, but isn't designed to be as durable as the other two, which are supposed to last for around 12 months. Again, same process, spread it with the applicator, after around 30 seconds then I flipped it and just buffed off any remaining residue. Now when I removed the tape, I could see a little bit of an improvement here. I'd say mostly with the Diamond Pro-Tech side, followed by the DIY Detail and then the Garage Therapy one. With all 3, you could definitely still see some of the deeper scuff marks still there. My eye was drawn slightly less to them, but if you go looking for them, they definitely will be noticeable. I was also aware that the positioning of the products and the way the kind of light was falling could affect how much of a difference it looked like they were making. So up close I thought the Diamond Pro-Tech one looked the best, so I decided to repeat that again, but just using a 50-50 split of it this time. So to remove the product first, I did go in with my all-purpose cleaner and then my panel wipe and use the scrub pad. As I did this immediately after the application of the other 3 products, they all came off pretty easily. I'd say though the DIY Detail one was probably the hardest to remove. All the others seemed to come off with a single hit, but that one required 2 hits before I could see that tape mark disappear. So as I said, I went in with the Diamond Pro-Tech one, repeated the application process exactly the same as before, just so I could get a slightly better 50-50. I do think that there was an improvement, there was a definite darkening effect at least, but on those heavier kind of scuff marks, they were still noticeable. If you've ever tried any other plastic dressings like this, and have had a good effect without using magic erasers or any kind of heat, then please let me know in the comments, as I would be interested to try them too. As always, everything's going to be linked in the description. And if you have enjoyed the video, it'd be great if you dropped it a like, and thanks for watching.